Alex, I will ask you something. Don't mistake me. Would not you use perfumes?
Already own body smell is there. Why need perfumes and all?
That's why I am asking. Would not you use perfumes? You smell bad.
Oh. Do you know something?
Hmm?
In the relationships,
Hmm.
between people can be found through body donor. Whatever genetic comparatively will be found. Okay?
Hmm? How is it possible?
People says, if you want, you smell my t-shirts as well, and if you like it, that means we both are genetically compatible.
Okay, bring your t-shirt tomorrow without washing. I shall smell it.
Shall I bring my underwear? The result will be accurate. No. There is a test where we get instant results. Shall I show?
What's it?
Mhm. Oh,
Why is she calling now?
Something important. Hello? Huh? Okay, I'm coming. I have to go. Please,
I'm
please,
not
please,
coming.
please, 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 please.
Don't fool me. I will get my bag. It's irritating.
Hey,
Damn
what
it.
are you saying?
She's your girlfriend or I? You are spending more time only with her.
Hey, you are my girlfriend. She is girl
What?
bestie.
Girl
Okay,
bestie?
Come, baby, fast. We'll go.
I am coming.
Oh.
Don't drag. I am coming.
Hey, even if called for an emergency, what should I do now? Huh? Huh? Do you mean to say that you will decide my time? I too have life. I said I'm going with my friend. I'm not in love with her.
Give me after burn
See,
with it.
Why are you torturing me now?
Hey,
Please try to understand my words.
give me the ice cream.
At least.
Hey,
whatever.
stop.
Okay,
Why
I
did
will
you
call
throw
you
the
later.
cigarette? 18 rupees plus GST. Huh?
Has she arrived? What, bro? There is a need for ice cream today.
There is always a need for it. You don't know, that's it. Hey, is she taken it? Yeah.
How many breakups so far?
Break up. Wait, 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 4 in this year. If you see in this hand,
Shut up and start the bike.
yeah.
Let's leave.
You are a smart guy
Drop
to
me.
calculate.
in these 5 years, he could have opened a showroom in a breakup ice cream, okay? In that money, she can open a shop, you know. She will be entrepreneur. No,
Yeah, right.
owner.
Calling himself an
Okay, why are you unnecessarily going home? To draw lines on hand?
Wha-
Just leave it.
I
you
don't know
come
that.
with me.
I want to go home. What's the time now? You really expect me to come and meet your mother at this hour?
That's not at all a problem. Even I took Kyle at odd time. Better shut
What?
up and come. Okay.
Till now, you didn't go his home.
I have never
Oh.
been to his place.
Oh, bro.
I cannot come to your place
Okay,
at this
it's
hour.
like that. Definitely you must go this time because his mom relaxed and cool, and by this time you'll get a better food too. Are you okay? One important treat is remaining for me. Once we reach there, order me fried rice and a rose milk for meat. Okay, you should order me. Okay. What about you, dude?
Just shut up and
I
hop
didn't
on.
had a
Okay,
clue.
done.
Well, I'm
Careful about cops, yaar. We all three have helmets. No problem, yaar.
Hey,
Go,
what
go,
about the
man,
helmet?
fast.
We are
Go,
going
go, go. Okay.
You said we were going to your place. What the hell is this now?
His house is first floor of this juice shop. Oh my god.
Amma, why is the street so busy at this hour?
It's always busy here.
Even at 12 a.m.
You never been come his house, huh?
No, I have never been to his house.
Go. You talked in phone, right?
I have just spoken to him on video calls.
Welcome home. Hi,
Aishu,
mom.
how are you?
I'm good.
Hey, you have told me
You
before
sit
now.
here.
If she's coming, I have dressed up well now.
Why? What's wrong with this dress? She didn't come to propose
How
to you.
many
no?
times I have told you not to throw your clothes?
Hey, Kaya, please, don't talk. Hello?
Something he will tell her next
Tell me,
from
Kaya.
me.
His
That's good.
mom has artist taste.
No,
Best
what are you
collections,
trying
you know.
to say?
Aishu, would you
See,
like to have a
You
tea?
don't
that's
want to
okay.
anger
Mom,
with
no
me.
need of tea.
I'm very
Big treat
calm
is
and cool.
awaiting. Just now Aisha had a breakup, you know.
Thinking
We have
about
to tell you.
breakup.
So we are going to
Yeah,
order fried
that's
rice and
nice.
rose milk also. Shall we order for you too? Okay, super. Give me your phone and order.
There's no charge
Hey,
in it.
don't
Hey, no money in
Can't
my
you
phone. You
understand? I
order
have
it,
to
yaar.
charge it.
Shut up your mouth. Please shut up.
Hey, what happened? Hey, harder hurt too, yaar.
I said the
Phone,
battery is
give me
low.
phone.
Take your phone.
Ayo, give me your phone. I don't have balance in my phone. Hey, what are you doing? Hey,
Just shut up
mom,
and give me
you
your
should tell me
phone.
something,
Give me
mom.
your phone.
Mom, please. Hey, phone. Give me your phone.
How many times to tell you be quiet? I'm talking with Kyle.
Hey,
Kyle.
what is
How
this,
did he
man?
come here now?
This home is like a puzzle home.
Huh?
We can come by zigzag. Leave it that. Give me
Is
your
it
phone.
hurting?
Yeah, it's
Is it?
hurting, yes.
Don't feel sad, Aishu. Look, have this. Taste is very nice.
You don't worry. I will get you treat by selling his kidney at least. What do you say? Am I right?
I don't ask me, man. I have only 2 pair of kidneys, you know.
He knows there's no treatment to it,
Oh.
but he wants to sell kidneys. They're to your
Huh?
kidneys.
My mother will not accept if she knew. I fell in love with you. If my parents know this, they will kill me. Seriously, they will not allow me to the home, you know.
Aishu,
Hmm?
I didn't understand. That is called continental urine. No.
Babe, listen, I really love you. But I like children very much. I need my own kids. I am really sorry.
Really, if you have this problem, can't you have a baby? You consulted the doctor?
See, I want to tell you something.
Yep, go on.
See, even I don't like kids.
Okay.
But I hesitate. Would it cause any problem to our sexual life?
No.
I know, I won't.
Okay.
Why don't we hang out like friends with benefits? Huh?
What the hell?
Friends with benefits, What do you mean that?
What I mean to say, I will use for being intimate, but we are just friends.
I will also use you as an intimate scenes.
However,
but we are only just friends. No,
No
emotions, only satisfaction.
That's it.
God, he should help us. Aishu, what's the problem with your health? Cancer?
Mom, she is not having cancer. She has. There is something problem in matter.
She's no problem in having intimacy. Conceiving a baby is the problem.
Can you both just shut up now? That is not urine or genital. That's congenital uterine anomaly.
Is it like that?
Whatever it
Okay.
Auntie, actually 5 years ago, I met with an accident. Unfortunately, my parents died there, but I didn't die. That's my fate. But at the hospital where I was admitted, the doctor gave me a big shock. They said I have some problem in my uterus and unfortunately I cannot give birth to a baby.
Even if your ex-boyfriend, what his name called? Varun, he had abandoned you in the hospital, right? He married someone and living happily.
Why are you so happy with that?
Her man is gone.
Yeah.
Ayyo, haunted with ghosts?
No, nothing like that. He's an idiot.
It's not possessed, mom. Bonding someone without her knowledge, just stuck with the someone.
Oh, you mean like what your father did,
Mom, what is this?
Mom, father had hated his face and they left him. Don't worry about you.
You see? That kind of possessive. He is awful than me. You know how gorgeous Miriam was?
Mom is beautiful, yeah. Evergreen.
Mom, I want to piss. Come along.
Where you talking to me for this?
Please, mom,
See, go.
please.
Shut up
Mom.
and go.
Come,
Get
Mom.
up
Up and
now.
go from here.
Alex,
Go away.
shall I come inside and help?
Come and hold it.
You tell
Go,
me.
man.
Tell baby.
Hi, Mom. She's the issue I told you about.
Hello, auntie.
How are you? Are
Good,
you fine?
Thank you.
He said your parents have died. Don't worry, we are here for you. I'm right,
Yes,
Ajay?
definitely.
Auntie, hope Ajay has told you everything.
He said you lost your parents and your grandparents died 2 years ago. We don't bother about caste or religion. We are very forward-thinking people. What else?
Auntie, has Ajay told you about all my health issues?
Health? Whose health?
I didn't tell her.
Ajay, what's
There
the
is no
health
problem
issue?
in the health issue, Mom.
What's the health issue?
Nothing, Mom.
What? I'm asking and both of you aren't saying anything.
Tell her.
You tell me, Aishu.
Actually, that's, I actually have some health issues. You know, actually, I have some problem in my uterus. I can never conceive.
Shit.
Okay, give me time. I will think over and tell you. Ajay.
Wait for 5 minutes. I will talk to my mom and come back. Okay, na? Mom.
What are you saying?
What are you saying, Mom?
Huh?
Just listen to me.
No, Ajay.
In this day and age, you are still being old. Do you know how much technology has been advanced now? I'm in love with her. Do you understand or not?
No.
Mom,
No,
please,
Ajay.
Mom.
We can't run behind
Mom,
hospital
don't
and
talk about
orphanage.
orphanage. Please understand, Mom. Technology has been improved a lot.
So for listening to the story, he seems to be good. Haven't you met him after that, Aishu?
Be gone, mom. We just coming from there also. He is telling the same story, mom. Mom is not okay, dad is not okay, my dog is also not okay. Telling the same.
See, Aishu, don't worry about all this thing. Me and Kayal get married. Then after we will have a cute and gorgeous child. Then make you its godmother, okay? That's sure, yeah.
Be quiet. Cute baby. The baby will be as grumpy.
Yeah, she's right.
Whatever. She is
Quiet.
my
Aishu.
girlfriend, okay?
You don't worry, Aishu.
I love her.
The Lord will bless you soon to marry a good guy.
Oh, no
Understand?
way. I don't
Mm.
ever want to be in a relationship anymore. Whenever I fall in love with a man, it ends up with a breakup. I'm literally fed up with the drama now. If at all, even if someone marries me knowing all my problems, who can assure that he'll be in the same mindset after getting married? But actually, I cannot blame either of them. You know, that's why I have an idea now.
What's the idea?
Hereafter, instead of going behind the guys, I'll go behind the girls.
Oh, you sinner. Are you not straight? Homosexual?
So many months I have a same doubt,
Wait, there's
yeah.
nothing like that, okay?
Uh,
What I meant was, I'll go behind girls for IVF. Through that process, some girl can conceive and
IVF
give me her
means what?
child.
What is that?
IVF means, okay, listen. Imagine this is an ovum, huh? And here is a sperm. And they'll make this ovum and sperm mate, and then through that process, after mating, it will form into an embryo. Are you all getting my point? They have taught you in biology, right? Yeah. After that, they'll place that embryo in someone's uterus, and then the same embryo will develop in her uterus. Get it? This is what they call IVF. Now the medical field has developed very much, huh?
everything is okay. The egg is here. The uterus, we can get it, no problem. But where will you get the sperm? That is the doubt.
I told you, right? There will be someone to give sperm, and they are called as sperm donors. So,
Oh, sperm donors always there.
Hey,
huh?
listen.
Okay.
now the medical field is highly advanced, right? Okay, now we can even choose the features of the baby. Now, for example, if you wish to have a baby with blue eyes, then we have to look for a sperm donor who has blue eyes. Then we have to make that sperm mate with my ovum through the process of IVF. That's how we can customize our own baby. For example, eye color, skin tone, hair texture, like if I want straight hair or curly hair. That way, accordingly, we can customize our own baby. Get it?
What a wonder. Can we customize even the babies like a grinder?
Aishu, there is an obligation. If you okay in sperm donor, can I get a chance? Because I'm wasting daily, that is not a problem. Leave it that since in college days I have a crush on you, you know. That's why your ovum and my sperm dated together means we'll form a Malayali Tamil hybrid baby, you know. It's good.
It's awkward to listen.
It's super, dude.
Yuck.
What, Aishu?
Hey, Alex. I feel pity on that girl.
Which girl?
She only Aishu. Who is there for her? Tell me once. When I'm listening her stories, I remember the hardship I underwent. Everyone's life begins at 18. But they ended my life in the name of marriage. Bastards. Before I could realize anything, you were born when I was 19. You must be 2 years of age when he left me.
That person.
Okay, okay. When he left us,
Oh, that's it.
I left you in your uncle's house and I went looking for him. Do you remember it? I was humiliated to the core. Those who told to marry, everyone abandoned me and left me alone. No one was there for me on that time. When life is supposed to begin, we were denied. There is no family and future. Everyone left me alone. That pain is too horrible. that you are there for me. But she has no one. Pity on Aishu. You have slept, Sleep. Sleep well.
Mariam? Mariam, are you here? Why do you apply makeup to do cooking? Where you are talking till night? I slept listening you.
Did I tell you stories?
Why are you getting angry? Don't get angry, mom.
Hey, leave me.
Mariam.
Hey, go away.
Mariam.
Your mouth is stinking. Go and brush. Go away. Idiot. Don't even brush his teeth. Mad fellow.
Oh no! Kyle, come. Just now I saw your call.
How many times I called you? Why do you have a phone and a girlfriend?
No, Kyle, just now I took a
Hey,
bath.
Kyle, when did you come? Will you eat dosa?
No, it's okay.
Hey, Aishu. Hello? Aishu, cat food? Last night you forgot your watch here. I have kept it safe. When are you coming? Come soon. I have to talk about an important matter, okay?
You slept earlier last night?
Yeah.
It's a damn lie.
Kyle, last night I should give me t-shirt.
What happened? Where is she?
This has become rooted to me only.
Huh? What happened? Where is she?
Hi, Auntie.
Hi, Aishu.
Hi.
I am waiting for you so long
Oh,
time.
sorry, Auntie.
I have a good news for
I've
you.
been to a salon. Did I make you wait
Sit,
for me? I went to curl my hair.
It looks beautiful. Aishu, I too wish to have a boy cut, dye
Huh.
my hair green, purple, blue. Like this, I have so many wishes. But he will not allow and keep scolding me.
Is it not looking awesome?
It's awesome. Will you do for me?
Post breakup hair.
Huh?
Last time when I broke up, I had a boycott. Now I have curled my hair.
Very good. We must motivate ourselves. That's why we both are
Can I
connected.
get that watch, please? Is that
Are you
okay?
sorry? It's beautiful. Tie it.
Okay, thank you. Now tell me, where's this Alex? He's not even receiving my calls.
Don't you know about that mad fellow? All the time his girlfriend will leave in angry and he will go blending hey behind her only. That is the routine. Okay, leave that.
Uh-huh.
Why are you always calling me auntie auntie? Call me Miriam. That's what I like.
How can I call you Mariam? Give me that, I'll help you. Amir and others are calling you Amma or Auntie, right? How can I call you Mariam?
I don't like it. How old are you?
30.
I am 50. Just 20 years difference.
Just 20.
Yes.
Okay. I don't have any problem. I can call you by your name. If at all Alex calls me, then you will have to manage.
Who is it to scold? This is my name. You call me Miriam.
Actually, I wanted to ask you something.
Hmm.
I have heard the name Mariam, but what is this Miriam? Is it some kind of spelling mistake you had done?
Don't you know?
No.
Mariam was written as Miriam in Hebrew in the Bible long before. This is the Miriam story. This is what changed into Maria, Mary, Miri, Ali, etc. Miriam seems to be different, isn't it?
Is there any special meaning to it? Or is it Mother Mary's name?
Don't you know it? Listen to the explanation. One day when I was thinking about it, I looked for the meaning in Google. What should be Miriam meaning? When I was searching, it was written wishes for
Who
baby.
is it?
It means how to tell a mother who longs for a child.
Then hereafter even I'm going to change my name to Miriam.
No need of all that. I told you I have a good news, didn't I?
Yeah, I remember. You said there was some good news. Did anyone agree to carry a baby for me? Huh?
Goya lose. You said something like conjuring, that, this and all, but I don't understand that and all. But after you left, I thought about what you said. Then I looked for it in Google. You told na, like this 2 items we have to take and we can date. After that we can customize to our wish. After that we can have a green-eyed baby. When I searched about that, there is a possibility in all means issue. So I have decided to give birth to a baby for you.
Oh no! If Alex gets to know about it, he'll definitely kill me. You remember, right? I was sharing all my problems and then I came up with this plan. I mean, that night when I came here for the first time, you remember? If you agree to do this, will your family support you? What will Alex say?
He will get married a girl and leave me. Then I will be single. I have to decide about my life.
If you're single, that's okay, but
Aishu, listen to me. Don't bother about him or the society. Got it? For your sake, I have to give a birth to a green-eyed baby. We both together will bring up the child. How is my idea?
How is it possible, Mom? I'm sorry, Miriam. How can this be possible? This cannot be possible.
Why this is not possible? It's possible. To convey you this good news, I prepared sweets in the morning and kept ready. I will tell him later about it. You don't worry. First have sweets.
Oh,
Come,
no.
listen to me. Come. Happily we will have sweets. Don't worry.
Macha, you just tell her you are talking with me at night. She won't tell anything.
She won't scold me, but she will kill me.
Macha, she's
That's
my
all.
sister, yeah.
We'll do one thing. We'll go inside together. We'll speak.
No, that is not possible. I giving idea only.
Okay.
Okay, you should take care of your family problems, okay? I am
Okay.
giving only moral support. Settle your issues soon.
Okay, look here. After I go there and talk to her, call me in 10 minutes, okay? In between, you just call. I saved your number as manager, okay? I will say that I have an urgent meeting in office and leave. Don't mess it, please, man. You put it in
Okay,
reminder.
okay. There is an obligation. No manager, it's MD.
MD. You.
MD.
Okay, whatever you
Yes,
take,
yes.
you just call
Okay,
me,
okay. I
Yeah,
will
yeah,
do it. Yeah.
Don't too much act, man.
Mm-hmm.
Please, bro, please.
Mm-hmm.
You sit here.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
Brother, one chicken fried rice and chicken 65, okay?
Don't you ever come alone? Either him or her.
Have you started? Look, I have an important meeting. I will leave in call as soon as possible I get.
Hmm.
Why do you have to be angry when you leave my house? Huh? What will mom think?
Yes, only if I call, you will say I'm in work and tell some reasons. But to roam around with useless people, you have all the time. If she calls, you leave your work and go. Your mom did not even notice me and speaking with her on phone. Why should bother what mom will
Hey.
think?
Aishu does not have anyone other than me, my mom and Amir. You have same? You have a family. Whatever the problem comes, your parents will be there. She doesn't have anyone. Don't
See,
compare to...
This is my problem. You didn't even mention your name in this list.
Do you know only if I say, don't you know that I am there for you? Haven't I ever come for your sake?
Stop it. Enough of your lies.
Look, I am here, or with someone, or I am at work. Whatever the says, you just cut the call. But what you do? If you quarrel all the time, anyone will say lie,
Hey, my parents didn't agree to us getting married. Did you at least talk to me about it? Or think about it? You always keep roaming with them, not bothered about me, okay?
If your people have a problem with my job or character, I can do something for them. But for them, the problem problem is my religion. My mother being single is problem. My drunk father who eloped long ago is a problem. All these are all issues happened in past. How can I correct all those things?
Hey, I can understand it. You can bring your mother to my home and talk about this. Then they might get convinced. Instead, you are roaming around with them. I am asking to spend some time for me. What's wrong in that?
Okay, you go. I will fix the time and ask mom to come to your home. But inform your house after I confirm it.
Already my mother says that all my friends are married and I'm not. Please understand. Come soon and talk in my house.
Hmm.
Okay, I will leave. Come soon and talk.
Hi, sister. I call her sister. No, why is hungry? Dude, 10 minutes not at over, yaar. Before she left, what? Sister!
Hey, idiot. I was telling her deals to escape that I have a meeting, so I need to go. Managing something like that. But you are having something here. What she will think about you?
No, dude, since you are talking, I order food for lunch and that's what I'm having. Fried rice is good, man. But the sister is a brainy child, man. What? You can't cheat her easily. You have it first.
You eat.
Hey, curry is good, man.
You eat.
Miriam, look at this, see? This is so refreshing and so peaceful, na?
Yes, Aishu. We get peaceful mind when we come to beach. When I feel too depressed, I will ask Amir and Alexa to drop me here in the beach. They will drop me here and they will leave me alone. I will keep walking alone too long. I feel very depressed. Now you come as a companion, a friend. We both together can walk.
Usually, lovers will be roaming around here. But now we both are roaming.
Yes. It's a great fun. Then, shall I tell you a happy news?
Huh?
I got appointment with the doctor on Monday.
Why? Are you not well? Is it your health checkup?
Are you mad? Already I told you I'll give a birth to a child for you.
Oh no, Miriam.
What?
Alex will literally kill me.
What will he do? I will convince him.
No, please don't
As
be
I
so adamant,
promised
Miriam.
you, I will give birth to a green-eyed baby. And let's happily bring the baby together. What do you say?
Miriam, Alex will literally kill me. Please understand. Did you speak to him about this?
What to speak to him? He's roaming around with that girl. He will marry her and leave. I have to take my decision. We both will have that baby and stay happily in our life. Okay?
Miriam, Alex might think I'm creating a confusion in your relationship. Please understand. What if he comes to me and yells at me? Why are you being so adamant? Please don't do this.
Nothing like that. Our happiness is in our hands, Aishu. I have decided to have a baby for your sake. You don't worry, be happy.
Then you have to promise me something.
What is it?
We'll go and consult the doctor, okay? And if the doctor says that it's not possible, then you shouldn't be this adamant, okay? You have to promise me this.
Okay. Sure, Aishu.
Okay?
Okay.
You have to keep up with this promise. Yeah?
Okay, sure.
Okay.
100%.
But before going, we have to inform Alex, okay?
Let us tell him.
Are you sure?
Sure, Aishu.
Okay.
Eat, Aishu.
I'm done, Miriam. It's very spicy.
I have removed the green chilies. What are you eating? Eat well. Show me the one we saw earlier. That show me, Aishu.
This one.
Correct. This looks good, na?
Green one.
Green looks good, Aishu.
Green is gorgeous. Yes, you look gorgeous in green saree. If you wear same thing, you will.
Come here. Tell me one thing. Who told you that we are looking at Saris color?
Then
We are choosing the color of the eyes.
Ice. Not ice cube. It's ice. Got it?
blue color will be awesome, is it?
Touch anyone out of two? Touch one now. Correct. Aishu, green color is the best.
Okay, Miriam.
Hey, what is this? Why are you calling my mom Mariam?
Your name is Miriam, right?
Right.
Her name is Mariam, but only I will call by name. She
Get
is my
lost.
mother.
Hey, she can call me like that. Now we both have become BFF.
Oh, you found the word of BFF now?
Best friend forever, right?
Mom, be careful. Don't get corrupt with her. I am telling you. By the way, are you ordering contact lens online? Blue color lens for me too.
Damn it. We are planning to have a baby.
Oh, is it? What?
Hey, what, yeah? Pity on her. She has no one. We need to take care of her.
So, should my mom bear a child for you? It's a mistake to allow you in the house, huh?
Hey, why are you scolding her? I took this decision. I'm longing to be pregnant and give a birth to a baby. This is my wish.
What? Do you wish to be pregnant in this age? Huh? You have to think about your son's marriage, not about your getting pregnant. How do you think like this, mom?
Huh? Why the hell are you calling her old? She's not that old, okay?
Alright, why are you saying like this as I'm 60 or 70? I'm just 50. I can have a child at 50.
I will kill you. It's all because of you. Look, Mariam, your mind has been spoiled watching cheap films in OTT. Real life is different from a real life. My girlfriend will tease me, mom. Please, mom. Try to understand, mom.
She's your girlfriend. You deserve it.
So whatever it happens to me, you are not bothering about me, right? Because of the problem creating by your husband, I am not getting Kayal's parents will not agree the marriage. She is asking you to come to her house and talk. But whatever you plan, will you conceive the child and ask for the daughter? Is it possible so?
Hey, if not this Kayal, there will be more like her. Aishu, have you ever seen her face? She looks awful.
No, Miriam. She's more than enough for him.
Oh, have you all joined together, huh? How long has this been going on?
Hey, you were sleeping on that night. You too said you were snoring in sleep. After you slept, I looked up everything in Google, whether there are possibilities, will it happen or not. But all possibilities are there. I found everything. Tomorrow we are going to fertility clinic. We are fixing, okay?
Oh, have you gone to such
Ah.
extent? I am the late person. Do Amir brother knows this?
Hi, mom. It's too hot, you know. Why no reaction? Leave it that. Mom, morning 9 o'clock you should be ready. I have a small work. I'll finish it that and later pick you up, okay? What are you saying, yaar? Where is Alex?
He's there. There.
Hey, what are you doing here, man? Hide and seek playing, huh?
I can't accept it.
What?
Hey, what's that you can't accept?
I can't accept it. That is my room. I will not allow anyone. Do you understand?
I
What
have
room?
decided. Look, it has been 30 years since you have vacated that room. I am the house owner. Now I must decide who should I rent or not. Deciding authority is with me.
What are
Go
you
now.
talking about? Huh?
Go.
I didn't understand anything. What are you talking?
Go away.
Sorry. Okay, I am going.
Miriam, are you really serious? This seems to be very risky. I feel we should do this with someone else.
Ha. You think someone is waiting to carry a child for you? You're a mad. Aishu, for 30 years of my life, I have never lived a single day for myself, you know. And excitement and happiness. Nothing was there in my life. When I was pregnant, I suffered a lot with pain. To buy whatever I want. Or to even talk nicely. There was no one with me. In my last trimester, some stranger will say, your husband is laying drunk and naked. Come and take him and go. I felt humiliated, Aishu. I felt sad, Aishu. I never had a baby shower or rituals or ceremonies, Aishu. My relatives will never come home. My relatives' peoples will never come home. My legs will be swollen, Aishu. I'll go to hotel at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Were you running a hotel then?
Yes, we lost everything. I had him in my hands at the age of 19. I started running from then on. Aishu, I'm not doing this only for you. I want to enjoy now what I lost in my age 19. Now I have to enjoy all those things. It's a small selfish thought, Aishu. Something I can do. It's not a help or a mercy. Don't think I'm doing sacrifice or that I need sympathy. We both are connected somehow. After his marriage, I'll be all alone, Aishu. Somehow we will be bring up the child well, Aishu. I wish to do something to you, Aishu. But I don't have anything like money to give you. I have only this womb to give you.
Do you even know what is friendship? Do you even know who is Miriam?
I have only the womb. Take it. Take it. Take it. Here they are, always dropping everything.
I am going out with a angry, but you both are laughing here. What is this?
Hey, just be quiet. We have got an appointment in the clinic tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
Mariam,
We both are definitely going. Those who want to come with us, come. Or else sit here and eat. Come, Aishu.
Mom. Mom.
I'm
Come.
telling you, mom.
We might discuss something now.
Macha, I have a small doubt. Is the baby will be boy or girl? Huh? Okay, I will ask mom. Mom.
Aishu, I feel so happy.
See my situation. I have to come with a Khayal and sit here. But I am here with my mom.
You came
Are
for
you
your
pregnant?
mom.
Oh,
I
ma'am,
came for
I'm
what,
not
man?
yet married.
Hey, look at her.
Oh,
Mhm.
then why are you here?
I
See,
couldn't
how
get
can I
married
know,
till
ma'am?
I
I
turned
know,
40 because of a horoscope problem. That's
both
why
have
I
decided
choose
to-
to at least have a
My
baby.
mom also
My
same
friend
situation.
recommended this hospital. That's why I will come.
Ayyo, I'm so sorry, ma.
It's okay, ma'am.
Aishu, the woman sitting next to me has problem in her horoscope.
That's so sad.
What you are speaking
I
with
will
that?
talk. Yesterday, I
Aishu,
lost some
can
issues.
men also get pregnant here, huh?
God, Miriam. That's a woman. Sorry.
Hi.
Hi.
How many months?
3 months.
Huh? I am also going to have a baby with her.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you, thank you.
Is Miriam here?
Yes,
she is.
I am.
Come, let's go.
Excuse me, ma'am. Come. Patient's file. Hello.
Sit here.
Hello. Sit here.
Hello.
Doctor, we have come to discuss about the pregnancy possibilities.
Oh, is it her? But the appointment was on your name? Nurse? Ma'am?
No, the appointment was for her.
Oh, pregnancy possibilities?
Yes,
Who is he?
he is my son. She is his friend, but now she is my girlfriend. Oh. This nurse is staring at me.
Nurse, you check the blood report for the next patient. Come when I call you. Ma'am. Are you pregnant now?
No. We have come here to discuss about it.
That means,
We both have come.
is it age 50? Do you have menopause symptoms?
No,
no,
not yet.
no.
If your periods are regular, they are possibilities of pregnancy. But risky.
Miriam, I already told you, no? Did you ever hear me? She will say something. Don't listen to her. Come,
Hey,
let's go.
you go.
Please come, please.
You go, I'll come. I'll talk and come.
Get
You go
lost.
now. Go.
Do whatever you want.
Sorry, doctor. Sorry.
Pregnancy induced high BP, high sugar, and even seizures are possible. It's
my
risky only. But why are you planning a pregnancy at this age? Where is your husband?
Actually, he's not with her anymore.
Oh, then?
Doctor, actually we need a green-eyed sperm donor.
Yeah.
That is, she is the egg donor. I am the IVF carrier. We have come to know the procedure about it.
I am getting confused. Can you explain clearly?
Yeah.
If she is the egg donor, what about your egg?
No. We need only her egg.
For that, she can go for IVF.
No, actually, I have a problem in my uterus. It's called congenital uterine anomaly
yes,
disorder.
yes.
I have it since 5 years. So that's why I cannot have a child now. But I really want to have a baby.
Oh, Now it makes sense. But it comes under the category of surrogacy. There are lot of procedures.
This is not like surrogacy. Surrogacy mother will carry the child and leave after birth. This is not like that. She donates her eggs. I will give birth to a baby. Then we both together are going to bring up a baby. Isn't it, Aishu?
Yeah.
Oh. If you don't me asking, are you both homosexual? Why am I asking is we have seen many cases, but this age difference is different.
No, we are not homosexual. We are straight.
Oh, okay. That's not issue. That's your personal and we won't judge you with it. Okay, I will come to the matter. There are many procedures in this. So basically you have to attend counseling, psychological screening, health screening and blood test. Many procedures like this. It's difficult to get a green ad sperm donor here like you ask for. We have to get either from abroad or North India. By the way, it will be expensive.
Approximately how much would it cost, doctor?
From 4 to 6 lakhs.
Ayyo, so expensive. Aishu, do you have that money?
Dad saving for my wedding. Then yeah, I have it, doctor. I have it.
Is it okay? Because we have to bring from abroad. Why didn't you try abroad?
Actually, you know what? Miriam and I searched it in Google. So according to our information, we felt, if we get it done in India, it will be cheap and best. So that's why we want it here.
So you have planned it perfectly?
Yes, we have.
Okay. Nurse, tell me, doctor, arrange for scan and blood test for her. Okay. At least 3 counseling sessions. Let's scan and check the conditions of the uterus. Then give the details of your menstrual cycle so that we can know your ovulation time. You need a medical checkup because you are the egg donor, okay?
Yeah.
You two must take pills. And ma'am, are your periods regular?
It's regular for 3 days, every 30 days.
Okay. We will contact the sperm bank and inform you. We can fix the date based on your ovulation cycle. Only if your health screenings are good, we can proceed
okay.
further. I will fix date and proceed for you. Okay.
Okay. Shall we go and get the scanning done
Yes,
now?
go for
Okay.
scanning.
Thank you, doctor.
Ma'am,
Uh-huh.
wait there. I will
Yeah,
come.
okay.
Aishu,
Huh?
hereafter if anybody asks, better tell we both are lesbians.
Why is it?
It's a pride.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
What, man? Your mom is not going to deliver the baby today itself. What are you doing here? Still more time, yaar. Chill it.
Damn it!
Huh?
What would I say to Kayal? Already we are many problems between us. Single mother, different religions, a different adopted father. Now this issue also.
Difficulty. If you hide from Kayal, it seems. Anyway, the baby will be delivered in 9 months also. After giving the baby to Aishu, all problems solved.
Hey Luz, did you listen what they are speaking with the doctor? They are saying go together and we'll bring up the baby.
We will handle it later.
Until then, what will do? Kayal comes home.
You have to handle it.
What? Should I say I'm there in my mom's home?
No, not like that. You can say it like this. For a few days, bump won't be visible. Once it will be visible, we'll send to mom to Aishu's home, that's all. Oh, mom, who is hitting me like this?
Yes, I will trash you.
You already did, mom.
Hey, are you both planning to send me out of this house, huh?
Why? What's wrong with this idea? You aren't listened to us, no? The neighbors will raise the question so many things. You don't know that. They look at us differently, mom. Kyle will come. It won't be good. Listen to me, mom.
How is that? People will talk what they want. We shouldn't be bothered by it. We should be whatever we want. You will post all this as reels on all social media like Facebook, Instagram. But if your mother does the same, you will feel ashamed of it. Listen, is there any age limit to do what we wish? No one come to help me when I was in struggle. Now, why must I bother about others? I stay only in this house. I will not leave this house for the sake of your marriage. Those who are willing can stay. Those who feel bad can go out.
Mom, correct point. Hey, mom said is right, yaar.
Hey, damn it. Are you playing double game? Mom, do you want to humiliate me? See now, I'm telling everyone in the office that my father is in abroad, right? Even the same reason to the neighborhood, no? How did you become brave now?
Hey, why do you say that stupid person is in abroad? Now onwards say that he is dead. I will feel happy. I am going to live to my happiness. That too with Aishu.
Huh? What? Nowadays, you always say Aishu.
So what?
Both of you are cuddling, feeding each other nowadays. No, without my knowledge, I'm asking. You have been a lesbian 50 years of age.
Hey, what are you saying, man? What is this nonsense? Don't say that. Sorry, ma. Why are you asking these kind of a questions, you know? What if she is lesbian or not? If you wanna support her or leave it.
Tell me one thing. Shouldn't two women stay as a best friend in the same house? What's wrong in it? If we are lesbians, let it be. What's your problem? Go away. Get lost. Ordering me.
Mom, are we going beyond the limits, Macha?
No, dude. Why can't you go? Oh, I advise you. Did you listen? It is necessary at this age.
Age is a just number.
Oh, why do you suffer like this?
I gave birth to you also like this.
Is it over? Finish it.
It will be there. Don't
no
feel
worries,
bad.
go ahead.
It is common.
Is it over?
Yes,
Go ahead.
over.
Good.
Aishu, don't want this tablet. It's too bitter, Aishu.
It's not that bitter, Miriam. You must take this tablet, okay? Take it. That's okay. You'll be fine. I'll massage your feet now.
Alex spoke to me, you know.
Yeah, I saw.
We are struggling for sake of this baby, right?
Isn't it?
With green eyes, it will be cute. Oh, why are you struggling so much? Give to me, I'll do it. Give me, I'll do. Hey,
I can't even cook and eat peacefully.
why is getting angry?
Why
Just
are you
listen to me.
irritating me
What
now?
is it?
Take off your hand. What do you want?
Why are you doing like this? I'm feeling bad.
Even I too feel bad. Do you think about it? Huh? But now it is okay, nobody knows. After that, someone ask mother pregnant, huh? Whose kid it is? So many people will ask, you know that? Aren't you ashamed at this age? Do you understand at least? Do you have something knowledge about the presence?
Hey, it's not for us. It's for Aishu, right?
Why for Aishu? Who is Aishu? I'm asking, who is the Aishu? Aishu, she is my friend, okay? Since I thought all my friends must to know about my mother, I thought I want my life to be transparent to my mother. I want to give you a security. I tell you everything. So I introduce all my friends to you. But what the way are you using it? Don't you feel ashamed of it? How could you talk to me without any guilty? Do you have a manners or not?
What is this? It's a small
Which is a
thing,
small
but-
thing. Tell me which is a small thing. Look, I'm requesting you. Don't talk to me unless I voluntarily talk. I can't handle, I can't accept. First of all, my mind is not processing it. What's the necessity for you to do this for her sake? What?
Get tensed always.
Why shouldn't I get tension? You had made all of this tension only, no? Is it easy to get married at 14 years? Do you want to believe in that you are forced to me to get married or thinking like that? You wouldn't have respected anyone in this house. I might say something.
No, don't lose the words.
What words I am losing?
Yes,
I swear on you, my anger on my father has subsided. Do you know why? You would have done something like this. He too had done the same. Don't disturb me. Please leave me in peace. I beg you, please.
Hey, dude, get up, man. What are you doing in the middle of the house? Study time, you are not studying properly. What are you doing? Get up. Hey, man, what's the problem, man? Tell me what's the problem?
Don't know. My mind is fully disturbed.
What disturbance?
I swear I don't know how to face this world in Mariam's matter. And when she looked in the morning and when I held her hand, I felt happy that who will take care of her better than me. But she was happy even when vomiting. What else I need than this?
Then what?
Other side, it's Kayal. I don't know how Kayal will take this matter.
Dude, don't be complicated, man. You saw the mom face, man. How glowing it is. Doesn't think all those things. She enjoying the present moment. That's it, man. Live the moment. That's it. Okay. You are also be like that. Take only that. Don't complicate unnecessarily thinking about future.
No, bro. I don't know how to handle. I have a mixed emotions.
For you, okay, I will tell you now. Take it me. Why I am staying in your house only? For your friendship only you think it, No, man. From childhood, for me, no mother, no love, nothing, man. When I came here, I never felt I back my mother's love, man. Ma'am always made me too happy. She took care of me like son. She always care of me. When I am think this problem, I don't know where should I support for her or also you. But I decided, man, whether it is good or bad, Brahmi's happiness is important to us. What do you say?
I can understand.
Huh?
Let me think.
Think it. Okay, I'll tell you one more thing. Always, the time we spend with our parents are too less. Okay, why means we will be busy with our work and family and all those things. Keep them happy till the end. Don't take it this as an advice. I am saying what I know. That's it. Accept it. Okay, na? Done. Come on, man. Let's smoke.
I just had now.
Yeah. It's okay. Come, man. Come.
Won't ಅದು? Who? Idiots won't leave us in peace. Oh no.
Who is on call?
Spam!
Huh? Spam?
Yes!
I'm not receiving enough calls. Is it really spam?
Who will call you? Only that waste bodies.
Stupid! You don't have any manners. Do you have any sense? Get lost!
What happened? Alex! Tell me no! I am asking you only! Alex! Stop it! Give her this pills properly, okay?
That all you get in medical shop,
Go
right?
and check.
Yeah, I
Give
called
her
him.
properly.
Hey, why are you hitting her, man? Careful.
That lady was watching serials and just doing her stuff only. Why did you make her like this? Huh?
Hey,
What's the problem with her?
for those who are eating her,
Hey,
Are you okay now?
Hey, this drips. Nothing is there. What is hospital are you running? Call the doctor.
Sir,
It is
please
not the right
silence.
thing.
Come,
down.
come.
Come this side, man. She will take care.
Okay.
Go away.
Lift.
Ma'am, BP and sugar are in border range.
Okay, doctor.
Take rest for a week
What is
and
this?
follow
What
good
are you
diet.
saying?
If this continues, you might have to take tablets and insulin.
Okay,
Who is
doctor.
taking care of her?
We are all
We are-
taking
we
care
are
of
taking-
her.
Are you all three
Yeah,
together?
yeah.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This is the limit range for blood pressure. If
Okay.
this exceed or if there are other symptoms,
Uh-huh.
bring her immediately. Right now
sure,
she is normal. Definitely bring her next week. Don't miss it.
Okay,
Okay.
madam.
Take care, ma'am.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you, doctor. Come
William,
this side.
you must not eat all that. Give it
What,
to me.
mom? You are eating
Why,
cream
ma'am?
biscuit
Why you
also?
are
Give it to me.
hitting her?
Mom,
You take
she
this.
is so bad, mom.
innocent. Hey, Alex. Do you need?
What happened?
Ayo, why are you doing like this?
Baby, no, mom.
If anything happens to me, these three people should scare the child by shouting.
Driver, avoid the sudden break. Bumpy road avoid. Drive speed just 10 kilometers, okay?
How can you expect there won't be speed break on the road? There will be speed break.
Okay, are you
Aishu,
okay?
I'm all right.
Sister, see her nonsense thing.
Aishu, this vine
It's
had
all
many
dried up.
bitter grounds, but all have dried up. It's right, right?
She's
Take this
pregnant
cloth,
now.
dry it. All have dried up.
Is he not watering the plants?
He should put water, no. He is always behind that
I
girl.
think he's smoking upstairs. Let's go
Ah,
and see.
right, right.
These all are nonsense thinking, no?
Scold him if he comes down, okay? You won't scold him.
He's not talking to me, you know?
Ayo, I can't, all right.
Is it hurting
I
you?
feel tired at this time.
Okay, then come, let's go.
We both wished for a child. Now we have to bear the pain
Come,
now.
come, let's go.
She is treachery. She says her husband is in Dubai. We never saw him and she is pregnant now. How is it possible? She left her husband and she now in live-in relationship with that girl. So much weird. Oh, isn't she Alex's girlfriend? No, believe me, sister. Oh, damn it. It's true. What is this? Earlier there was some other girl. She's not coming now. Is it? Now she's everything to her. Okay. But how could she be pregnant? It's something like EPF or IPF. She can conceive without her husband. Is it? Yes. Oh, damn it. Why did we get married so early? We could have also had kids like this.
Huh? A new app has been launched. Is it Threadsa? What is this, man?
Hey, Amir,
Hmm?
why are you still single? Why don't you have a girlfriend?
I had a crush in my college days. Then she became my friend and traveled in my life too. Time has been passed on. Hmm.
Hey, Amir,
Hmm?
but you know, that night you said you had a crush on me.
Huh?
Did you really mean it?
No. I had a crush on many people in my college. On teachers and students, for everyone. But you were gorgeous on that time, no? Now you have become so much pulp, you know. But not like me. My marriage will be an arranged in my home only. I will get married soon. Why did you pinch me there? It hurts.
How dare you say Aishu is plumpy? It was melted. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Mom, you
Huh?
shouldn't eat this. Give me.
Leave me. I want to eat.
Give me. Keep it here.
Ah!
Yoga, good for health. I'll teach you. You learn, okay? Come.
Leave me. I'll go on my own. Yoga? Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Mm. Huh?
Hmm.
Mm. Mm. Little bit of tight.
You can't,
I
huh?
can't.
Get up. Not like that.
Careful.
Sit like this.
Uh.
Now you have to bend your both legs like this. Okay. After doing this, hold both the feet like this. Twine. See, now it is
Super.
down. How is it? Correct? ah? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow.
How is it?
Excellent, mom.
Now
Excellent.
sit in front of
Uh-huh.
me. I'll teach you
Uh.
one more. Come. How dare you tease Aishu? Go, friend.
Uh.
Hmm. Venta, now give me your hand.
Okay, take my hand.
Not like that. Give it the
Okay,
back.
okay, done.
Will you do body shaming?
Mom? Mom? Kyle seems to be an angry man.
Hey, stop.
Okay.
Hey, sorry, I'm a bit late.
Okay, come, let's go.
Where to?
To your house.
Why?
To meet your mom.
You have a phone, call her and talk.
I want meet her indirectly.
My mom is not well.
Where has
she's
she
out
gone?
Of station. Out of station.
Where to?
She went to Kanyakumari.
Where has she went to Kanyakumari?
To see Tiruvallur. That's all.
Why so suddenly?
That is where you call just to ask questions, sir.
I answered you when you asked, so you answered my questions now.
See, you are able to answer my questions easily. But I have to think a lot answer to your question.
Should you think a lot to tell the truth?
So am I looking like a liar as of now?
Yes, you are right.
Do I look like a liar because of my beard or what? Huh? Let me check.
Why the hell is he staring like this?
What perfume she is using? What is this? Mariam!
Oh my god. What is this? Why is your blood pressure high? Are you taking good diet and rest?
Ayo, doctor. See my hand. They check my BP every 10 minutes. My hand is swallow now. They are compelling me to eat everything. They keep on checking blood pressure every 10 minutes. Even at night, they are killing me like anything. I lost my peace, doctor. I long to enjoy my pregnancy. I can't tolerate the torture of these three people, doctor. First, reduce your belly, Amir.
What have you done? You need to take care of her, but not to extend. Will you torture her not to letting to sleep? Listen first. Her mind must be free and happy. For that, you should not disturb her. I told you to check her blood pressure regularly. For that sake, could you check every 10 minutes? Nonsense.
Call them. Call them well.
Ma'am, shall I check every 1 hour then, no?
Why?
You must check every 4 to 6 hours only.
Write it down.
Why do you note it? It's too bad. You send all these people out and take good rest for 2 days. Shall I send a home nurse to check blood pressure?
No need. We will take care of her.
God damn it.
Then I should not get any complaints on next visit.
I can't, doctor. I can't.
Please take her. Take good care of her.
Okay.
Okay, then shall we leave?
Come on.
Careful, mom.
Be careful. Okay. You should have to tell to us, no? Hey, ma. Okay.
Shall I leave,
You
doctor?
can go, ma'am. Take good care of her.
Sure, ma'am.
Three of you are torturing me.
That's too bad, Miriam. You're all complaining in front of the doctor.
Be silent, else I'll kill you all.
Be
We'll check it
careful.
only 6 hours once, okay?
I am the first then, okay? You second, okay?
Wait,
They are
don't worry.
torturing me.
Yeah? Don't worry. We will take care of you, okay? Don't worry. Okay, right?
Oh God.
Such
What
a
happened?
scoundrel.
Hey, driver.
Driver,
slowly, man.
Slowly, man.
Miriam, you okay, right?
Go,
Go slowly,
driver.
man.
These people are torturing me, and you are shouting. My baby is
Such
only
an
17.
idiot. I don't understand why did we have to make only this person.
Yes.
Go out.
What are you doing?
Go
What
out.
are you doing, Mariam?
Take this.
Wait,
Look,
what?
all of you go somewhere for 2 or 3 days minimum. I want to stay peacefully.
Hey,
Look, Aishu, now you go to your house.
Miriam, if something happens to you, who will take care of you?
Nothing will happen to me.
where should I go? This is my home.
You go somewhere wherever you want to, forest, field or Kayal. Wherever you want, you go. Always you will be telling no, she won't talk to me, she will be angry, I won't give time to her. Go, meet her. Get lost. By chance, if you guys call me and disturb me, I'll switch off my phone and I'll go somewhere. Get lost from here. Go, go. Single minute, they're torturing me.
Oh, damn it.
What should we do?
Amir, there is an issue.
It's usual, no?
Come soon at my place.
Sure. Okay. Put the phone, man. Hey, why you came in innerwear, man? What's the hurry?
My mother expelled me out from the house. I didn't have to wear the dress.
Uh-huh.
She gave me this bag.
I know.
Understood, man.
This will happen. Expected only.
Okay. If there is any emergency to her, she will call either of us. Please cross-check. Do you have a charge signal on your phone? Don't you have cable in your
okay.
company car?
No, man. Okay, charge is perfect now. Then what?
You know what?
Uh,
No, we have to sleep. Okay, right? Now we have to sleep. Turn by turn, 3 hours each. We'll repeat the same, okay? What say? Now tell me who is going to sleep first.
me. Why are you seeing staring like that? I have to go to office and hand over the car tomorrow. So,
Okay, sleep now.
okay, forget that. I have another idea. Can I? We have 3 members now. 2 people can sleep and 1 will be awake now.
Hey, Luis, if 2 of us sleep, the other one will be feel bored, no? Suppose she sleeps. Don't.
Okay,
Basic
correct, man.
sense.
Good night, sweet dreams. Yes, you will be running all night. Give me the money tomorrow.
Hey, Alex.
Hmm?
Why are you not meeting that girl Kyle nowadays?
Now what? Whenever you get bored, you are speaking about my life only, no?
No, it's not like that. Since you guys are not meeting nowadays, I thought you guys must have broken up.
What are you speaking now? Huh? Since you don't have a relationship in life, will you pray the other should be also break up? What you are thinking in your mind?
Get
Look
lost.
at yourself first.
Oh, let me listen to some songs now. What?
What
Come
is that?
on. I shouldn't sleep. I shouldn't listen to the songs. Then what the hell should I do?
Oh my god, better you sleep. I wouldn't sleep, I will take care. Please turn off the song and sleep.
Even I'm sleeping now.
Do I look like a fool to you?
Hey, in public. Are you behaving like a educated girl?
What? I have been asking you to bring your mother home for a long time. If I say I will meet her, you say she is busy or she went out. What are you thinking?
Oh god, look at me. Already I have many problems in my life. To me, please, see, look at me. It is important now.
Huh? What? Is not this important? All these days you said you will come. Now what happened? You have changed a lot in the past few days, Alex. You won't spend time with me. Are you feeling bored of me? Tell me. Tell me now itself. Don't give excuses.
I really tell you, Kyle. I need 3 months time. Then after only I can tell you everything. I need that. See, I'm
Hey,
promising you, I have a lot
only.
of problems.
If you tell me your problem, Alex, tell me. I'm there for you.
No need to do anything. Just give me a 3 months time. Dude, wake up.
What
Already
happened?
6 o'clock. Wake up.
What happened?
Get up.
Oh,
Go.
oh my God.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you so much. Oh, Jesus, I must give birth to this baby and give to Aishu. All name of the Father and the Jesus. Why do they disturb when doing prayer? I'm coming. I'm coming. The door is not locked. Hey, don't you slept a whole night? I told you all to go somewhere. I told you to go meet
See,
Kayal.
doors are open. Now she is talking like this.
Talking to them, but they are going like that. Hey, Aishu,
Finally,
go
I
sleep
came
inside.
to my home.
Get up, Aishu.
I can sleep very happily. I didn't ask anything.
I'll put leg on you, man.
Give me your hand, Miriam. Why is your hand so hairy?
Stop it, please. Hey,
But
keep
Miriam,
quiet.
I hope your baby is normal now. We'll see what happens. Why are you laughing, Miriam? Please don't laugh. Huh?
She's killing me. She's killing me.
Why the hell did you come here? What the hell is happening here?
Hey,
my God.
crazy. I told you, no? Why are you doing like this? Cut you guys. Oh, God.
Yeah, Amir.
It's better now. Oh, now it's blue pen.
Perfect combo. Perfect combo. Look at them. She's looking pretty now. I told you before only. What do you say? Huh? Hey Alex, look at that.
Alex, see.
What are you doing? Leave me! What are you doing? Are you okay,
There she's here only, man. Come.
Kyle, please, Kyle, please. Listen to me, Kyle, please, Kyle. I'm calling you, no?
Alex, stop it! You have hidden everything from me.
Kyle, I thought of telling you everything after delivery. He only advised me, don't tell to her.
No, sister.
What the hell? Seriously? What a kind of family is yours? Your father has escaped. Your mother pregnant without your father. It's disgusting. Always telling lies.
What? Is it disgusting? Do we look disgusting? Don't talk unless you know.
Kyle, nothing like that you think,
Hey,
man.
you shut your mouth. Who are you to involve in this? Know your limits.
Hey, you know your limits. What the hell are you talking? How dare you to tell that my mom is disgusting? That is enough. You marry a decent guy from the decent family like your family sense.
Alex, don't talk unnecessarily. I will really leave.
Hey, go. Who stopped you here? I don't want anyone who disrespects my mother.
Hey, don't throw words in hurry, man. We'll decide.
Hey, you be quiet. Hey, yes, my family is disgusting only. What did I say now? I asked you 3 months to give me a time. Who asked you to come to my house then?
Oh, is this why you asked her for 3 months? Your family past issues? Now your mother pregnant? It's a difference. Okay, that is a past, not days.
Nothing like you think. She's like
Hey,
mom.
if she know the fact, what will she do? She will go to my mother, apologize and blessing from the her. Do you think really happens? Hey, first you leave from here. You are marry a decent boy from the decent family who your father looks. We are a disgusting family to you.
Oh God, it's a disgusting. Your family is a disgusting family. It is a disgusting that I am even standing and talk with you. Go, hold your mom's sari, go.
I will
Sister,
hold anyone
hey.
hands, you go.
Hey, what, man? Why are you doing like this, sir? I can
Hey,
explain her,
it's
right?
you who said to hide from her.
Oh God, I said it earlier, man. Past time she understand, right? She can change her mind, right?
Hey, leave it. Did you see how worst she said about my family? Whatever in mind comes as a words, it will... Hey, what? I won't see you again. Get lost.
I want to look back.
Look at her.
Aishu, tell me.
Where the hell are you guys now? Mom is in labor now. Come soon. We have to take her to the hospital.
Come on. Coming soon.
What happened?
Mom got a delivery pain. Come on, man. Let's go.
Little pain, Aishu.
Oh my God.
Yes, little pain.
Okay. Don't worry. Doctor will take care of you.
We have reached.
Huh.
Oh no, they will take our life asking the formalities.
Who's patient?
Dr. Anita's
Okay.
patient.
Fill this form, ma'am, quickly.
Oh,
Yeah, okay.
hurry up, Aishu.
What are you thinking? Write husband's name.
What, Aishu? Write your name. See how she's going to be shocked.
I have written.
You have written your name?
Actually, I'm her partner.
Partner? I don't understand.
I can't
She's in pain now.
Okay. Nurse, take her to the ICU.
Don't worry. Is it
Park the bike. Come.
Sorry.
Who are you all? What are you doing
Mariamma,
here?
my mom.
Mary ma,
She's
ma-
there.
You should not come here with these clothes. Wear OT clothes and wait.
Where is the dress?
Where it is there?
OT dress. Here it is. Wait wearing this attire.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Acting like a buffalo.
Take a treatment.
Wait, I will come.
Is everything ready? Ready, doctor. Have you checked the vitals? Yes, done. Okay. Are you contraction regular? Nice. Take CTG. Okay. Doctor, how much it is dilated? 3 centimeters. Okay. Irregular contractions. Okay, doctor. Doctor, her husband is not there. Only attender has come. I know. She is my patient. Okay, doctor. For emergency, let the C-section be on standby.
Miriam, emergency cesarean.
No. It's just in case. It's a precious pregnancy. We can't take any risk. No other reasons. You don't
But
worry.
doctor, everything is normal, right?
Everything is normal now. She's fine
Why
now.
Aishu, you are scared? Don't be panic. I am only cool.
But why are you so panicked?
Yes, look
If
at
you
her.
feel you had pain,
No, that's okay. I can be here.
okay.
Don't
Is
be
everything
scared.
ready? Yes, ready, doctor.
Why are you so nervous?
Stand by, ready?
See
Hi,
how
doctor.
happy I am. Don't be tensed, Aishu.
Give me the gel.
Alex is messaging me.
Ask him what is it. Go.
Yeah, okay.
Hmm.
Doctor,
Huh?
is that okay if I go out for 2 minutes?
Yes, please.
Okay?
I will take care. You
Take
go
care.
and come.
Okay.
Lift a little.
Ah.
There will be light pain. Don't panic.
Ah.
It's done. That's all. That's all. That's all. Over.
Hey,
Huh? What happened?
where were you guys? She's better now.
What is good for now?
No, actually, the doctor said her BP is normal now. If at all her BP goes high, then we might have to go for cesarean.
It's okay. Ask the doctor directly to do cesarean.
Tell them to do it.
Are you crazy? Do you even know how complicated C-section is?
That's okay. She will be given anesthesia, no? She won't feel the pain.
Yeah,
Please
Kevin,
go ahead.
but
Doctor. Hi, doctor.
What happened?
Doctor, I am her son.
So what?
See, my mom can't tolerate the pain, so you perform the surgery under general anesthesia, no? By age, she is 50, but she is bit something
she's bit
mad
mad.
kind of. Hey, no, not like that. Stupid. See, she will behave funny like a child, so but she won't behave a matured like.
Let's
So
see.
let's go directly for cesarean section, ma'am.
Won't she tolerate the pain? Come see inside. Come.
Go. Go inside.
Is your mother screaming with pain? See her.
Sister, my face looks little dull, isn't it?
What are you doing, mom?
Aishu, there is a lipstick in the delivery bag. Please give me, Aishu. My face looks dull. Come, Alex.
Hey, old lady, I
Huh?
thought you can't tolerate the pain, so I was pleading with the doctor to take the baby out by cesarean. But now here you are giving poses to the take photos. Why did you bring lipstick in your delivery bag?
Right now.
Hey,
Why
is
you
it a
are-
movie? Only in movies they deliver a baby screaming and struggling, you know? I'll get pain only when there are contraction. All mad fellows.
If she tells why did you bring her lipstick? She get pain, give injection. She applies lipstick, baby will born.
I'm looking beautiful, right? Hey, come,
It will come by
Let's take
seeing
a
your
photo.
face
Aishu,
only.
Aishu, hold this. Come, let's all take a selfie.
Please come. She's
Mad. Come, I did only prank. Come.
Prank.
Okay, come.
Oh,
Shall we take? Can you see? Are we all there? Come little close. Ayo.
Oh, mom.
Oh my god, doctor! Something is happening. Please come.
Shut up and come.
Sir.
Are you making fun here?
Beautiful, right? Come here. Little close.
What happened?
Sister, I feel like defecting, doctor.
Doctor, see her.
Doctor, see her. She's getting pain, doctor. Mom.
Contraction.
Doctor.
Sister, 1 minute, come.
Aishu.
Doctor, see
Ayo.
doctor. Mom.
Ayo.
Oh my god, it's crowning. Hurry up, get ready. Take the gloves.
What happened, mom?
Sister, get the gloves. Be quick, where are the gloves? Crowning. Here it is. What happened? Tell me. Sister, hurry up. Be ready. Tell her not to push. Tell her to not push. Don't push. Tell her not to push. Ma'am, tell her not to push. Ma'am, tell her to not push. Please don't push. Please, Miriam, please don't push. Ma'am, please understand. Don't push. You tell her to not push. Please don't push. Bring me another gloves. If doctor is not to push. Please, Miriam, tell her not to push. Ma'am, tell her not to push.
What's
Ma'am, don't push for some time. Please, don't push. Don't push, ma'am. Please understand. Don't push, ma'am. Ma'am, don't push. Relax. Don't push, ma'am. Relax. Relax, ma'am. And take care.
That is my room. I will not allow anyone. Do you understand? No, without my knowledge, I am asking. You have been a lesbian 50 years of age. Who is Aisha? I am asking. Who is the Aisha?
Hey, why are you hitting her, man? Careful.
What perfume she is using? What is this?
Your family is a disgusting family.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't cry. Don't
Sir.
cry.
Are you still standing here? Go out. I will call you, sir. Go.
Sorry.
Ma'am, you two go out and wait. We will clean the baby. Take that, sister. Take the kidney dish. I will wait outside. Bye, Miriam.
Oh, nothing, baby. Nothing. Don't cry. Don't cry. Mama is here. It's your mom, dear. Okay, okay. Don't cry.
Hey, Alex. Baby is born. Aisha, how is mom? Why are you coming silent? Baby has been born, right? Green eyes, right? What? Huh? Green eyes, right? Alex? Aisha? Why you both are silent? Tell me something. How is mom? What happened? Tell me, Bob.
Baby has been born.
Be happy, man. Why you're sad? Happy. It's green eyes, right? Right? Green eyes, right? Oh God. Oh God.
Shall I tell you something?
Name for the baby, right? Actually, Miriam and I have already selected it.
Hey, not like that, fool. Anyway, you and mom are going to bring up the baby. Why couldn't we stay together as a family like we are now? It will be good, no?
Oh, in labor room you think of it, this thing,
I didn't think there itself. I'm thinking myself only. Now only you can take care of my mother as better as I can. That's why I'm asking.
Oh, okay then. That's why you asked Kyle to leave me alone,
Oh, she ditched you, is it?
Hey, no.
Just because she left you, you're coming to us, right?
Hey, no.
Huh?
Hey, she not left. Him only chased her. Too much pretty girl. She left wiping her eyes on going
yes,
towards
yes.
her.
But when did it all happen?
This is happened when we were rushing mom to hospital, right? Before that you called me, na? That time it happened.
Hey, mom has delivered the baby now. Let's go and talk to her directly.
Come, let's
No
go.
need, let her go. Let her go. Let she get married to a guy who she likes and be happy.
Oh,
Hmm.
she wants to get married to someone she likes and be happy. But you want to suffer with us, right?
Nothing like that. My boys have been thinking of meeting her someday, somehow. They used to race against each other. But pity them. They will die without meeting her. Don't worry, boys. We will try in next birth. Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Hey, when I said the same earlier, you said it was awkward, na? What now?
Did he just pick his sperm?
He's talking like that only.
Stop! Don't
Hey, careful, huh? 1 second, you are. Bro, what's going on here? I'm completely blank.
Cool,
You-
driver,
No,
relax,
I'll cancel the ride.
Everything
Please give
is
the right
fine.
number. Please give the number.
No.
Please tell the number. Where it
Give me
is?
that phone.
Whose baby is this?
Family now. Don't worry about us.
Hi,
She has
brother.
given a birth. She is my mom.
Mom. She's a mom.
Yes, my mom.
Your mom.
The baby was born to my mom and to her.
Oh no. I don't know what's going on here.
There is no confusion. While driving, I will tell you everything.
Driver, go on 30. No problem now. No problem now.
Okay,
Let's
be
go now.
careful.
No problem. Baby has born. No, 30 speed is enough.
Oh no. I think my faith is too bad. Oh God.
Oh, darling, what happened, sweetie?
Oi.
Nothing, baby. Ommo, do. Ommo, oh dear, nothing. What, dear? What?
Oh no! What's going on here? I don't know anything. Please go away. Please go. Please go, sir.
Did you see this? He is Alex. It is me. His father ran away. We will say the same story and raise you, right?
Alex, did you see him happy? Very happy.
Hey, yes, the baby is born.
Yeah.
Next, what you know, we are going to a beauty parlor, fashion show, and we are going to world tour. What's the problem now?
There is no water to clean the baby. Now you are
Hey,
thinking
go,
about
go,
that.
go away. That's how I raised you. Go now. Go away.
Boy, go away, go away.
Go. I'll clean it.
Clean
Go.
it properly,
Go now.
okay? Give the
See
baby,
that?
I will clean
It's
it,
our
okay?
baby. We are not going to
It's
give.
our
Oh.
baby.
Sorry,
Go.
I will arrange with
We
some
will
other
arrange.
one.